Hey learners, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anisha. Today we will understand the usage of conjunctions, which are also sometimes called as linking words, in different contexts with examples. First, let's see what is conjunction. It is a word that connects sentences, phrases, or clauses. Rohan is playing outside, Mohan is playing outside are the two sentences which can be joined by using and. So, and here is the conjunction. First conjunction is therefore. Therefore is used to show the result or effect of an action. Example, he woke up late this morning, therefore he couldn't come on time. Means his coming late is the result of his waking up late. Second is but. But is used to join two ideas that are opposite to each other. Example, he is wise but not arrogant. Third conjunction is besides. Besides means in addition to or apart from. Example, he knows French besides knowing his native language. Means apart from his native language, he also knows French. Fourth one is despite. Despite is used to show a sharp contrast with another fact. Example, despite being old, she is self-dependent. Being old, she is not dependent on anyone else. Fifth one is because. Because is used to show reason. Example, Ria is overjoyed because she won the championship. So why is Ria overjoyed? Because she has won the championship. Sixth is unless. Unless means except on the condition that. Example, you will never succeed unless you work hard. Means the condition here is working hard. Seventh one is provided. Provided means if or only if. Example, you will get a bike provided you score well in your exams. So here the condition is scoring well in your exams. Eighth one is since. Since is used to show result. Example, since I see you, I am better. Means the result of seeing you is my betterment. Ninth one is yet. Yet shows contrast or joins opposites. Example, learning is exciting, yet it can be very exhausting. So here are two opposite adjectives being said of one particular thing, which is learning. 10th is so. So is used to show reason or result. Example, I was feeling hungry, so I made noodles for myself. Means noodles is the result of my feeling hungry. 11th one is if. If is used to show condition. Example, take me with you if you are going that way. The condition here is going that way. 12th one is whereas. Whereas is used to show contrast. Example, all my brothers are lawyers whereas I am an engineer. There is a contrast between the two professions. 13th one is or. Or is used to link alternatives or options. Example, is your cat a male or female? Here there are two alternatives, which is male or female. 14th is and. And connects two words of the same speech, clauses or sentences that are to be taken jointly. Example, Saiba and Sheba both go to the same school. I think and is the easiest. Next is even if. Even if is used in a supposition or hypothesis. It refers to an imaginary situation. Example, even if you take a taxi, you will still miss your flight. So we are supposing that the flight will be missed. 16th is in spite of. In spite of expresses an idea that is in contrast with the main clause. Example, in spite of being a millionaire, he lives in a very small house. 17th is unlike. Unlike means different from or not similar to. Example, unlike other fishes, shark cannot float. Means shark is different from other fishes and cannot float. 18th is moreover. Moreover means as a further matter or besides. Example, smoking is a bad habit. Moreover, it is very expensive. So besides being a bad habit, smoking is expensive. 19th is after. After means in the time following. Example, the day after tomorrow is Reena's birthday. I think after also is known to everyone. It is a easy one. 20th is as if. As if implies as would be the case if. Example, it looks as if it will rain. So here the would be case is raining. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really need your support, guys. So please do the needful, and thank you.